Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw some stuffing. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon stuffing, we're going to begin right here. I want to begin by making a nice long line right across here. So we're going to start here and let's just make a nice straight line, best you can, right across your paper. Now, after we do that, what we want to do is just draw a little line that's going to come down a little bit on each side. These are going to be like the sides of our little casserole dish. Next, starting here, let's draw a little line that's going to come in, and we'll do the same thing over here. Let's just draw a little line that comes in. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that comes down on each side. So we'll begin by just making a line that comes down here, and then a line that comes down here. Now starting here, we're going to make a line that comes across. So I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that goes over, and we'll just come up to here, and I kind of curve it up just a little bit. Now starting up here, we want to make our stuffing. So I'm going to begin right here, and we just want to begin by making some different size little bumpy lines. We're going to make these come all the way up, and then we're going to make them come down. And we can make them a little bit different sizes too. Now inside of here, I want to make some little square shapes. So right along the edge here, we're going to make some little kind of square shapes that just go up, over, and down. So I'm going to put a few of these all around here. So we'll just make a few go up, over, and down. And we'll just put them all around the top. Now I'm also going to add some of these little square shapes inside of here. So I'll just make some of these little square shapes all around here. We'll make them go different directions, and we're just going to kind of put some all around the inside of our stuffing. So we're just going to put these all over, and we'll just draw some different little ones going different little directions all around there. Now, coming out of here, I want to make like a spoon or something that we could serve this with. So let's just draw a line that goes up like this. I'm going to bring this line over. Next, we're just going to bring this line down. I'm also going to make a little line that goes down, and then it's going to come right to here. Now, starting on here, I want to make just a funny little face. So I'm going to begin right here by drawing a circle for an eye. So we'll draw one circle here. We'll leave some space, and I'll make another circle over here for the other eye. Inside of these circles, I'm going to draw a small circle. And I'm going to color in that small circle, but I'm just going to leave a little bit white towards the top for a little reflection. Make this one a little bit bigger to match. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line across for the mouth. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to come up here. Next, we'll make some little smiley faces across the top for teeth, and a little curved line right here for a tongue. And there you go, there is your drawing of some stuffing. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.